Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new fish Blue Sea Dragon and fish it. First, just head to the crystal tab like this. If you already unlocked this area, just teleport and start fishing here. And since the Blue Sea Dragon is a legendary level, like this, make sure you use a mid to high tier rod. Like this, like recommend rods like hazmat or Ghostwin like this for the better chances. And for the bait, just use the carp bait or singularity bait to increase your luck. And now just keep fishing in crystal depth until you get this fish. And this is what the Blue Sea Dragon looks like. Like this. It has a blue color with the glowing sides like this. It looks so cool, I think. And okay, that's it. Just good luck. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.